One of the most noticed and key pieces of any interior restoration are your door panels. Ultimate Corvette Parts carries only the best quality manufacturers for your Corvette restoration. These manufacturers adhere to strict guidelines that ensure seams and trim components have the correct look and finish for your car model and year. Ultimate Corvette Parts carries all the original factory colors and licensed styles to match your interior. When restoring your Corvette, you can do so with confidence, knowing that you will receive the highest quality door panels at the best possible price from UltimateCorvetteParts.com.